In this video, I'm going to show you how to do sponsored ads on Instagram. So there's a few steps that you should know first is you should have a profile picture on your account to do sponsored ads. So if you don't have a profile picture, that option will not be available to you. So another thing that you have to remember, make sure that you have the creator or business profile enabled on your account. Without that, you won't be able to access the boost uh, uh, post option here. So how do you actually do sponsored ads? So go to the post that you want to boost. So here I have this image here. Go ahead and press the boost post option. You'll be redirected to a new page. Here you'll be asked what goal you want to do. So for example, we want more profile visits. Just click on next. Audience, you could choose a special category or what you who or what who the people you want to reach out, but you could select the automatic. Just click on next. Next is where you have they will be asking you for your budget. So for example, for we have the budget, so we have $5 daily. So if you decrease this, you're actually gonna uh, reach less people than you would on a higher budget. So for example, you have $200 daily for 6 days. You'll be spending $1,200 and over 6 days. So you can gauge your budget here. For example, 100 for 3 days for $2 daily. So you'll be reaching estimated around 23 to 62,000 people on Instagram. And just click on next. Here they'll be asking you uh, to review your ad, and once you've done that, uh, just make sure that you've already added your payment here. But if you haven't added your payment, just click on add and just input your card details, and you should be good here. Once you've added your card, just hit on the boost post option here, and you should be good. Like and subscribe if you found this video helpful.